Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD fully inscribed in a circle as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side length of this quadrilateral is 3 units. The side length AB is 4 units. The side length BC is 5 units. And finally, the side length CD is 6 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And now let's recall the definition of a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral if all the vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the very same circle, as you can see in this given diagram. And we can see all these vertices A, B, C, and D indeed lie on this circle. So no wonder this quadrilateral ABCD is called a cyclic quadrilateral. And we are going to apply the very same concept on our this given blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD as well. And we can see that this blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD is indeed a cyclic quadrilateral, since all its vertices A, B, C, and D lie on the very same circle. So therefore, we are going to use the Brahmagupta's formula to calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral. Brahmagupta formula is normally used to calculate the area of the cyclic quadrilateral, and we know our quadrilateral ABCD is indeed a cyclic. And here's our Brahmagupta's formula. The area of this cyclic quadrilateral is going to be equal to the square root of S minus A times S minus B times S minus C times S minus D, where A, B, C, and D are the side lengths of the cyclic quadrilateral. And S is going to be equal to the sum of these side lengths A plus B plus C plus D all over 2. I'm going to label this side length as lowercase a, this side length lowercase b, this side length lowercase c, and this side length as lowercase d. So therefore our lowercase a value is 3 units, lowercase b value is 4, lowercase c value is 5, and finally lowercase d value is 6 units. And here's our very first step. We are going to calculate the value of S by just substituting A, B, C, and D value in this equation. So therefore we can write S is going to be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 all over 2. And if we add the numbers at the numerator, S is going to be equal to 18 divided by 2. So therefore our S value turns out to be 9. So thus our S value turns out to be 9. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral by substituting this S value as 9 over here. Our lowercase a value is 3. Likewise, this S value is 9 minus B value is 4. This S value is once again 9. C value is 5. And finally, this S value is 9 minus our D value is 6. So therefore, the area of this cyclic quadrilateral is going to be the square root of 9 minus 3 times 9 minus 4 times 9 minus 5, and finally 9 minus 6. And now we can see 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and finally 9 minus 6 is 3 units. So therefore, the area of this cyclic quadrilateral could be written as the square root of 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. And if we multiply all these numbers in the radicand, that is going to give us 360. So therefore, we can write the area of this quadrilateral is going to be the square root of 360. And now we can write this 360 as 36 times 10. So therefore, the area is going to be equal to 36 times 10. And now we are going to break them down. So therefore, the area is going to be equal to square root of 36 times the square root of 10. And now we know that the square root of 36 is simply 6. So therefore, we conclude that the area of this cyclic quadrilateral is going to be equal to 6 times the square root of 10 square units. So thus the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD turns out to be 6 times square root of 10 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 18.974 square units as well. So therefore, the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral ABCD turns out to be 6 times square root of 10 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.